Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change an exterior door handle. Today we'll be changing the exterior door handle on a 2003 Ford Focus, but procedures will vary, so be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the door and begin removing the door panel. This procedure will be different on nearly any vehicle, but we've included a brief overview of what's necessary on this Ford Focus. You'll just need to remove trim pieces and fasteners that hold the main door panel in place in order to access the door handle from the inside. You'll also need to disconnect wiring harnesses to window switches and controls. Once you've removed all fasteners and trim pieces, lift out and up on the main panel to remove it from the door. You'll gain access to the interior of the door by moving any moisture or sound dampening material from the edge of the door farthest from the hinge. In our case, we'll unclip and remove this foam piece first. Now we'll slowly begin to peel back the insulation using a trim tool as necessary to get through the adhesive and minimize damage to the material. Peel the insulation back enough to gain access to the back of the door handle. Remove the fasteners securing the door handle. You may need to remove a rubber seal from this opening in the metal to access the second fastener. Now you'll pull the door handle off from the outside of the door. In our case, we'll use a trim tool to carefully remove this triangular trim piece first. There are two gaskets, one on either side, that can be removed by hand or with a trim tool. Once those gaskets are removed, you're ready to install your new door handle. Start by pressing the new gaskets into place on each side. To install the handle, press it directly in toward the door itself, then forward toward the front of the car. Now reinstall the trim piece by re-engaging the tabs and snapping it into place. Thread the fasteners you removed earlier, then tighten them. If you removed a rubber seal for access to the fastener, you can reinstall it now. Move the insulating material back into place across the door and use two-sided waterproof tape to reattach it if the adhesive isn't keeping it in place. Put the main panel back in place starting at the top. Secure the door panel with the fasteners you removed earlier. Reattach any wiring harnesses and reinstall any trim pieces. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.